guys. Hey, so y'all know what's going on. There's a whole quarantine situation going on, so I am left to trim my hair by myself. I don't have my mom here. My mom has asthma, and as you guys may or may not know, I work in a hospital, and I'm not trying to risk being a carrier and making my mom sick. So I'm gonna have to do this trim by myself. So I decided to record it because I thought you guys would be interested in like knowing or seeing how I might trim my hair by myself. Something I haven't done in quite a long time because I learned my lesson about trimming my hair myself. So yeah, I straightened my hair. I didn't record it this time because I just feel like I've recorded me trimming my hair so many times in the last year and a half that I just didn't feel like doing it. Y'all seen the videos a billion times, but this is how long it's looking. The length that it is the length that I thought it would be the last time I straightened. So I had said the last time I straightened my hair was about, I think it was here, and I had said it would probably come down to the next bone, and I believe that's where it is. So especially when I get to the front, you'll be able to see more of the length. But I'm going to this is how it's looking in the back. I would say it's an armpit length. But yeah, so how I've imagined doing this is parting my hair down the middle because I can't see the back, and I don't want to do anything crazy by messing up my hair shape or anything, because when this quarantine is over, my mom's gonna go right back to straightening, to trimming it. So try to make this as easy as I can for you guys to see. So what I'm gonna do is my mom, she doesn't start as low as I'd like I want my parts to start kind of really close to my nape. She doesn't really start that low, so I'm gonna start that low and see how my hair's doing. I'm gonna start off by, first of all, putting the section to the back as I would have it if I were wearing my hair straight back, right? Then I'm gonna take my fingers like a clamp, bring it down some, and bring it to the front, like that. Can you see that? Or is that a good idea? I don't know. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna push it back, and I'm gonna bring it to the front, like so. Okay, as you see, because my hair is blunt, when I bring it to the front, the sides hang longer than this because this is behind my head, so it sits different. So I don't want to cut it blunt from the front. That'll make my sides shorter and no longer a blunt cut. It will become a U-shaped cut. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn my head. Let me see if I can get this. So I just pulled it down, and here are my scissors. I'm gonna just dust the ends. Okay, and that's how I did that. I took off about 1/4 inch. What I forgot to do is measure my hair beforehand. So that's one section, right? So before I start this, like I get into this real heavy, I'm going to measure my hair real quick. 10 1/4. My hair is 10 inches and 1/4. I'm gonna reference this section and part it the same width as the previous section. Same with this, and I might use this as a reference. Here's what I'm gonna try to do. Because the way I thought this was gonna work isn't happening. Oh, I'm a little scared, y'all. I'm a little scared. So I just tied up a rubber band. I'm gonna pull this down and okay, to make sure it's even. Well, that's what's gonna have to be. I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna brush it out and y'all tell me if it's even. Okay, y'all gonna be my mirror that I cannot see. Is that even to y'all? I hope it is. How's it looking, y'all see? A little, okay, so here's my plan. I'm gonna part my hair down the middle, but not down the middle. So down the middle will be here, right? But I'm not gonna take it from here. I'm gonna take it a little off-centered. I'll tell you why in a minute. Because when I bring it to this side and I trim it on this side, the little off-centered section will be my guide for this section, if that makes sense. That's what how I was hoping to do this. Okay, so this is how it's looking. I think this is the best way to do it. My finger, keep my head straight, slide down as much as I can, and then use my comb, and I'm gonna trim. Y'all gonna have to look at it this way because, yeah. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see that. Okay, I just dusted it, okay? Because it doesn't really need more than that. So now, I'm gonna part my hair down the middle for the side. Okay, bring this to the front. And this side, I did the same thing. Probably use this hand since it's mine. Wait. No, I'm gonna use, yeah, I'm gonna have to use this hand because I need to use my dominant hand. So this section is the guide. As you can see, it's like a little short. This part is a little shorter than this part. So that's gonna be my guide. Oh shit, I fucked it up. Hold on. Okay. Woo. So there you go. Okay, so how's it look, guys? We're gonna check in every row because who knows what's going on. And if I had any mistakes, I didn't know where I made them. So I hope you can see that. That's where it is now. I haven't taken off much because it really doesn't need that much, but I'm just hoping that it's even. Again, I'm gonna have my, by the time July comes, I hope this whole coronavirus nonsense is over. So I won't need to do this again. But yeah, this is just what's gonna have to be for now. Because I need to get my hair trimmed. Somebody's gotta do it, and those salons are open. I don't trust salons anyway. And my mom, I'm just not trying to risk my mom. And my hair hasn't like broken off all crazy. As you guys saw when I was trimming, my hair blow dried. I did that because those sections were like damaged. Like my crown is a weak spot for me, and it's easy for my hair to get split in those areas. So it's easier to see the split ends on blow dried hair. You already have a shape. You don't really need. It's easier to see, and it's easier to like know what's wrong. I hope this is, I'm doing something, because I feel like I'm barely taking anything off, but really my mom barely takes anything off when she does it too. So let's have a look. How's it look, guys? Is it alright? Crooked or no? Ooh, I'm doing my best, y'all. I'm doing my best. I'm also using the back wall. The back wall is white. I'm using the back wall to help me see my ends, like what ends might be a little out of place or scraggly. So this is what I'm working with. It's good, right? Okay, I think that's okay. Whew. I guess I can section down the middle now because I have the hair underneath. That's a guide now, right? Alright guys, so this is the last section. At the top, as you guys can see, I have cut quite a bit of the crown. Yeah, it's not damaged. I mean, it was, but I cut it to make it healthy so it's not all broken and stuff. So it being short might look like breakage, but it's cutting after cutting off breakage. So let's have a look. Yeah, it's decent. I have a single strand now right there though. All right, last section. Not that I don't think there's gonna be much on this section, but we shall see. Yeah, baby, baby, take it, come on, boy, 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 for a second, measure it. So y'all, it was 10 1/4 before I trimmed it. Let's see what it is now, okay? It's still a little bit above 10. Okay, I didn't trim too much. I trimmed probably about 1/8. That's good. I feel like I trimmed so much more, but it's hard to know when you're doing it yourself, y'all. This side I think is better because this side is my right side and it's hard to like reach your right side when you're right-handed. So I'm just gonna double check everything. Just gonna clean it up a little bit. And I think we're good to go, y'all. It feels good. So yeah, I'm gonna measure one more time just to be on the safe side. Yeah, 10 and that like in between the quarters. So I'm gonna go with 10 because that's safe. Am I tripping or did my front thin out? Look at my front. Why is it so thin? Doesn't it look thin? I don't know, y'all. It looks thin to me. You can like really see through it. What is up with that? How thick my back is and how thin the front is. Use this section from the back as a guide. I think it helped a little bit. Look at this. I have some thinning in the front, which I think it attributes to it thinning out. I want to even this out. I'm gradually evening it out. So I hope that when it grows back out, it's more even. Okay. So there's that. Now let's see if there's any shorter pieces. But these front pieces, I don't know what's up with this, but I think I'm gonna leave it. So that's what we're working with, okay? It looks good like that. Looks like I got some long ass hair. Ooh. Okay. All right, so yeah, I feel like my hair stands out so much, you guys, in the front. What do you guys think? I don't know. It's hard to tell. All right, I'm gonna get the trimming on this side. It's really easy to see my guide. See? All right, so how's it looking now, y'all? Does it look better? Does it still look thin? I think it looks a little better. So that's my hair, you guys. It's all straightened up. This is how it's looking. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll be trimming my hair. We're all finito. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.